Hi there, we are working on interpreting quartiles. So this is the last Khan Academy assignment that we will be doing in class that has to do with box plots. Okay, so we've read them, we've created them, we've learned what the different ways of organizing a quartile is, and now we are going to interpret them. Right, so we're looking at this box plot and we have to figure out percentages. So here is just a basic chart. Think of a quartile literally as a quarter, 1/4 of a fraction, right? It's broken into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So this is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. So this first section, the minimum to the lower quartile or the Q1 is 25% of the data. This is 50% to the median, 75% to the Q3, and 100% to the maximum. So we have to be really careful what the question is asking us and take a look at where the data is falling on the box plot. Okay, so we'll go back to this in a minute. So take a look here. This says the number of stylists employed by each hair salon in Jamesville. Okay, so what percent of salon in Jamesville employ 18 or fewer stylists? So here is the 18. So the 18 is here at the maximum. That means all of them, okay? So 100% of these stylists, 100% of the salons employ 18 or fewer stylists. That was all of the data, okay? So here we have a 5-number summary for the number of surfers at each beach in Miami. It's asking what percent of beaches in Miami have 2 or more surfers. So 2 is your minimum. Everybody has at least 2. So this is again going to be 100% of the data because they have 2 or more. So 100%, that's everybody has 2 or more. All right, now we have a 5-number summary for Brad's Fantasy Football League. So the minimum is 4, maximum is 18. The 5-number summary suggests that about 50% of Brad's fantasy football leagues have fewer than how many teams? So 50% is your median, okay? Again, this is 0%, 25%, 50% is the median. So we are looking for the number 10, which is at the median in that 5-point summary. Here we have gyms in Shanesville. It's suggesting that 25% of gyms in Shanesville have more than what number of gym members? All right, so 25% has more than. So I would like to see if there's something on the 70 before I even scroll down, because 25% have more than 70 would make sense. So there is a 70. I'm gonna look at it again. Sometimes it can be tricky to determine what they're saying, but I'm pretty sure this is what they're asking. So 25% has more than 70 because it's falling from here is 70 to 76. So this last 25% that goes from 75 to 100% is more than 70. So let's see if this is correct. Awesome. Okay, so be careful what they're asking you. Okay, sometimes they'll ask you for like 25% fewer than, then you're going to be looking at the lower quartile at the Q1. Sometimes they're asking you for the median. That one's pretty specific and it's always that number right on the median. If it's 75% or less, you're looking to the left. If it's 75% of the total, then you're actually looking for the Q1 because it's including these 3/4 of the data, everything to the right of the Q1. So you have to just be careful what they're asking of you, okay? So good luck. Please use this visual as a good reference point. Remember, 1/4 is the same as 25 cents or 25%. Okay, see you later.